Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through how to install and set up your app, Airtable Action Automation for workflow. Once in your account, navigate to the app marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Then click on install and click on allow and install. Once you're done installing your app, refresh the tab and you head down to the custom page, click on it. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you're going to have all the necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to get started with this app is right in here. We have the smart key video and the configuration video that is going to walk you through on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. Here we have the app setup. Let's walk you through on how to connect your app. Copy the redirect URL. We head to the account which we've created online right over here. You click on your profile and you click on the builder space. The next interface is going to pop up. Click on the auth integration and you click on create new auth. You give it a name. You paste the redirect URL here. Then you click on save integration. Make sure to toggle on all the necessary comments and scopes. Toggle everything on. Then you insert your email support and you click on save changes. When you're done with that, scroll up and copy the customer ID, head back to your account. Click on Start Setup and paste. Generate the key and copy. Click on Finish, head over to your account and you paste. Then you click on Complete Setup. And you have this page. Click on All, Add All Resources and Grant Access. And there you go, your app has been successfully configured. We have the support center where you're going to create a ticket and as well book a call for our support team. We have the change log feature. In this change log feature, you will be able to track all the updates and improvements made on this app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email, and click on subscribe. You've now learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching.